Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this Smooshy and Freehand Halloween mummy nail design. So I'm going to use white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, a pearly beige by Sinful Colors called Cocoa Babe, and a pearly white also by Sinful Colors called Angelique. So on a sandwich bag, I'm just going to apply the white as the base coat. I love using sandwich bags because once I'm done with them, I throw them away. It's really inexpensive and quick and easy to use. Then I'm going to apply the pearly beige and the white. Now, I'm not crazy about how this design came out, the background, because I wanted the beige to be a little more dark and give it like a gruesome, dirty look. It didn't come out that way, but I love the look. I love the whole design together, just the background I wasn't crazy about. Now, as you can see, I used a large stamper to pick up the design and apply it onto my nails. And once I was done with that, I removed the liquid latex and cleaned around my nails. It looks fine. And I wanted it to have like a little glitter look to it, a little cute design. I'm not that crazy about it, but I do love the design. Then using acrylic paints in jet black and melted chocolate by Apple Barrel. I get that at Walmart for 50 cents. I love those acrylic paints. I'm going to blend those colors together. And I'm showing you how I do it. Don't mind the black. It kind of like overspilled on me. But I wanted the brown to be a little bit more darker. I didn't want it to be so light because I wanted it to have like a gritty, dirty look to it. And I'm just going to draw some lines using my nail brush. I wanted to show you I do know how to use a nail brush, and I do own a nail brush. I'm always talking about my stripers. So I wanted to show you that. And I love doing acrylic paints for Halloween and Christmas because I get more if I mess up, I can clean up the mess up instead of regular nail polish where you have to take off the whole polish. That's why I like to do it. And as you can see, I'm just filling in the middle of my nails to represent like the little slit where he can see out of. So that's why I'm doing it. You can choose anywhere you want to, but I wanted it a little lower in my nail. Then using my nail dotter, I'm going to create the eyeball, dot the eye, and I'm going to draw some lines. It's very quick and easy. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. I hope I made it easy for you guys to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.